Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain hotels.com app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, hotel.com is a hotel booking app that gives user access to thousands of accommodation worldwide, from budget stays to luxury resorts. The app features handy tools like map-based search, price filters, last-minute deals, and a loyalty program that lets frequent travelers earn rewards. It works on both iOS and Android, and also interface is simple enough to quick booking and itinerary management on the go. However, hotel.com has faced criticisms after changed to its reward program, with reduced value of loyalty points compared to its previous system. Some users also report hidden fee glitches during booking and slow customer service when resolving cancellation or refund. So in conclusion, the app still worth using. It's worth using if you are after a wide varieties of hotels and easy booking, but less ideal if you expect strong loyalty reward or flawless customer support. And that's it. Hope you find the review edit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.